Hey guys, I just wanted to share something that I found very useful in my switch towards the SCSS or SAS files and compiling. This is a bit easier way to do it. Well, not to do it, but to speed up your process of development. It's called Emmet. It's a plugin for most of the popular um, editors, text editors. So I will show you how powerful it is. So I have a code snippet prepared from before. Okay, so I will just paste it in here. So as you can see, this is just the one long line of code, and now see what happens when I hit the tab key. Boom! It expands automatically into all that. You can make everything, virtually anything, in that you can create lists within just a couple of characters. You can even put the content inside the tags that you're creating. It follows the CSS selector structure, so you can nest things inside. You can even build the whole, as you can see, these are two main level elements, three actually. There is the header, there's the content, and there is the footer later on, and it nests everything for you. It assigns the classes, it assigns the IDs, it gives you the possibility of filling in all the properties beforehand, if you have them repeating, so that you don't have to do the copy pasting and marking the proper lines, and it even counts for you, counts downwards, counts upwards, and it has a lorem ipsum implementation. This is just crazy. I mean, I am really angry at all the people who were teaching me before that they haven't told me about this, because it just makes everything so much easier. And the thing that I'm showing you here is just a standard HTML implementation. So there's also plenty of shortcuts for CSS. That's why I mentioned SAS before. They're really let me just show you. I will comment. I will hit the previous key, and then let's have another file here. Give me a second. I will create it. Okay, so I'm back. One thing that you have to remember is before you start using it, you need to save the files with the proper abbreviation. So it's either HTML or CSS. It probably has some other options as well. I'm using Sublime, by the way, but it works with most of the editors. Just look for Emmet either in package control or in the snippet or in plugins. You can easily find it. It's super easy to install. So anyway, look, I hit W, and if I hit tab now, it expands to width. If I hit H, it expands to height. And now this seems easy enough, but look at this one. Border shadow. Sorry, border. Right, give me a second. I have to check that out. Okay, I hope I found it. I was a bit surprised because the results didn't pop all the vendor prefixes, but I believe right now we don't really have to pop all of them up anymore because it depends from the property. Just take a look here. BXSH, this should stand for box shadow, and if I hit the tab button, it sets everything for me. Let's try another one, transform. With transform, with some of them you have to use the control transform, control E, in Windows. Well, Mac you will probably use your special key, and we are having this. So 4 lines of code generated with just a couple of letters. Okay, you can just trust your gut on the autofill-in, but I would suggest typing in the full word, at least the first one, because as you can see with T, there is plenty that can happen. Text shadow, there's plenty, but it will fill in for us, and you can easily get lost in that. And now the beautiful thing is that we can also fill the values in automatically. So if we take this box shadow and we add 10 and hit tab, this is what we get. So this is not everything that we need, and to separate values we would need to well, use the dashes. So if you do this, right, this is what you're getting. It fills all the values for you. There might be something wrong with my settings with Emmet, so I'm not sure if all the vendor prefixes have changed or something, because as I mentioned before, on some of the snippets it runs all of them, and on some it just runs WebKit, or it just runs the Mozilla one, or whichever. But it's anyway pretty powerful for people who don't want to get into SAS compiling it. And well, that would be it. Well, maybe I can show you one more thing, because we can join these values, and we can also use different measurement systems. So we can use the EMs, the percent, well, you name it, whatever you want, you can put in there. So let's go with 10% plus height, 20 EMs, and if I hit tab now, this is what I get. It's really useful, super simple, and it's basically becomes automatic after you have, well, you run through one project with that, and you will never go back to writing plain CSS, I guess. And let me show you one more thing. What was that though? Okay, I got lost. I think it's safe enough to let you explore, and you can just add these values with the plus sign, and you can generate the whole lengthy property names with just one line of code. Okay, so thank you. I hope you find it useful and someone will benefit from this. See ya.